Well, pretty well got this thing redesigned, and I've got this battery supported with a block underneath here, and I've got it at the top, and I've got it with a band, a metal band around it that holds it in place. And I've got my heavier duty wires running down from the main unit down to where it's supposed to be. And I've got both my inverters here on the bottom. This will be hanging on the wall, and you'll be able to plug in from the bottom down here. The main battery on and off is right here. The circuit breaker for the solar panels is here. The circuit breaker for the charger is here. All the inverters are on this side of the bus, and on this side of the bus there's a short wire to this breaker here that would trip. So fixing to fire this jewel up and show what it looks like. You can see my switch on my remote is right down there, and we're going to put some wire ties on everything and kind of neaten everything up, support everything up like this, and that way I can make sure everything's tight. I can see that that's loose. Okay, we're going to hang this on the wall. It's going to have some brackets on the side and the back here to hang this on the wall, and this is the way it's going to look. And you can see that I still have my charging cable here for the battery, and I've got a humongous lead running down into this lug here. Heat shrink didn't quite go all the way over that, but I guess that'll probably be all right. I've got one of these inline testers here that you hook up for load. And I can turn the inverters off with one switch, like that. I hate things being crooked. I gotta straighten that. There it is. And this battery is not crooked, but the strap is. The strap is crooked. Just hate that. But anyhow, who cares about that? We got solid wood underneath here to hold it. Right there. It's not that heavy. We can stand it up on the wall and mount it, and then we can bring our solar panel in from here. Went all out and got a 50 amp on this, a 200 amp fuse. It comes with a cover, but I got so many wires and lugs going in here, I decided just to leave it alone. And there's my custom. Okay.